Claire. I'm the student nurse doing your trach care. Can you tell me your name and date of birth? All right. And do you have any allergies that I should know about before we get started? Okay, great. What we're going to be doing is we're going to clean around your stoma, and we're going to replace your inner cannula and then change your trach ties. I'm going to go ahead and hyperoxygenate you. And if you have any difficulty breathing, let me know and we can stop and let you catch your breath. Clean around the stoma. And we're cleaning from the stoma out. Just gonna slip this behind your head. Just gonna tighten this a little more. Okay, we have 2 finger widths, so we're good. How are you feeling right now? Okay, good. I'm gonna turn your oxygen back down, and I'm gonna come check on you in a couple of minutes.